Done. Next, go to Colors. Make temperature to -6. Vibrance to +30. Make saturation to -30. Next, go to Mix. First, go to Red, make hue and saturation to -20. Next, go to Orange. Make hue to -10, then saturation to -20, and luminance to -36. Next, go to Yellow. Make saturation to -80. Next, go to Green. Make saturation to -40, and luminance to -20. Next, go to Aqua. Make hue to -36, then saturation to -60. Next, go to Blue. Make hue to -18, then saturation to -80, and luminance to -50. Then, done. Next, go to Effects. Make clarity to +16. Then dehaze to 28. Then, finish. We can copy-paste these settings to another photos.